Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And yes, it is snowing. An unexpected snowstorm has come our way. They say we were originally supposed to get flurries, but now we're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of hard, compact type snow, or sleet snow they call it, onto our area and onto my beautiful farm. So, in this problem that we're going to be seeing here shortly, hopefully, that our little low tunnel that I built under construction here, that we finished up and put in our garden, is going to withstand this. I did not bring this in. It's really not supposed to take on a snowstorm this quickly. But you know, in gardening things happen. So we're going to check it out to see if it works and see if it's strong enough compared to this little snowstorm we're going to get here. Now, a design here is supposed to just withstand freezing weather, you know, early in the season and late in the season, and have that insect netting on the bottom. So let's put it to the test and see what happens, and I'll get back to you shortly. So here we are about an hour later. We got about 2 inches of snow so far. My little snow gauge there from our picnic table that's outside. Yeah, you can see it's about 2 inches thick there. So it's looking pretty good with just about 2 inches of snow on the ground so far. Now everything's sliding off that plastic very nicely and accumulating on the sides there. Now this is the real test. Right now it was just stopped snowing about maybe 5 minutes ago, and now we're getting sleet, and which is going to start sticking to that plastic and then probably start accumulating the snow if it starts up again on top of that plastic. So we'll see how strong the supports are. So here we are the following morning. It got dark real quick last night because of all the snow, but our little low tunnel here is doing quite well, even with the heavy winds last night, and it's still surviving. So it's currently about middle of the afternoon. You can tell by the noise, the winds have picked up about to 15 miles an hour as constant, and we get these gusts anywhere from 20 to 30 miles an hour. And that little low tunnel is doing pretty good. I'm quite proud of it. I'm just making this little video here so you can see how it can handle this, because a lot of people are always curious if it's strong enough, and I just want to show that it can withstand some decent gusts, and it can withstand a test of time of being in your garden for over the year, of course, and then for years to come. So I'm glad. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you very much for watching. And you can see at the on the right hand side here that insect netting is actually moving or kind of bellowing out on the right hand side a little bit from time to time. So the wind is going right through that tunnel there, and plastic is picking up. So everything's working out good, and I'm glad you stopped by to watch this video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, and if you can, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again shortly with another video. Thanks for watching.